Okay, Ashish, I would like to ask you some questions on behalf of the people of Bandra Khar, Santa Cruz. Yeah, and actually it's about Bandra Buzz. Basically, what is your take on the BMC's new property tax?
So the new property tax policy which was come up and proposed by the BMC is basically based on the ready reckoner rate. The
Yes.
ready reckoner rate is getting published by the state government, and BMC has no role to have their say on whatever published by the state government. I personally feel that there are three basic demands which I have put forward before the BMC as well as before the state government. Number one is that BMC should have a say while finalizing the ready reckoner rate about the particular area in the entire city. B, very clearly the property taxation should be charged on carpet, not on the builder. Number three, more concession required to be given for the old properties and for the senior citizens' own properties.
Yes.
Number four is very clearly that they have issued the bills and they have issued one form to give the suggestion and objection about individual property owners. The corporation should give one more month for the people to file their objection, because whatever stipulated time they have given, people could not file their objection within that stipulated time. Mostly and importantly is that today the ceiling is that 500 square feet and below, their property taxation will not be enhanced. So I am demanding it should be raised up to at least 700 square feet in Bandra Khar Santa Cruz zone. And most importantly is that the factors on which the property taxation is depend on, these factors needs to be reduced by at least 2% in each, like age factor, floor factor, wind factor, all this needs to be reduced by 2%. These are my 5 demands and which I already put forward. I hold 2 meetings of citizens for the same. I have generated people's opinion by taking the signature on the same. I have represented it to the municipal commissioner. In the current assembly session, I have raised it into the house, on which the deputy chief minister has also organized a meeting which will be held in the next week. So I will raise all these points before the deputy chief minister, and I will see that some redressal we can get for the people.
Okay, now is there any link, with the octroi being collected now? If because the octroi which is being collected, it has been said that just 25% goes into the BMC coffers, whilst 75% is being siphoned off. So if that is improved, will it help? I mean, for some adjustment instead of increasing this tax, so high.
Now, the second thing is that today we are talking about octroi. Yes, there certainly is a corruption in octroi. Our law and order situation and state government's police department anti-corruption bureau has miserably failed to control the corruption. BMC has also failed to control the corruption. The point is here, today we are talking about octroi, which is a huge revenue income for the BMC. But today state government already announced that from the next year there will be no octroi in this city. So obviously this loss of fund for the BMC will be automatically get burden on the citizens. So the state government's decision about abolishing the octroi and coming with local benefit tax, that is called as LBT, will not, whether it will be justifiable or not, we need to have a discussion on the same. Number one. Number two, corruption needs to be curtailed. And number three, property taxation should not be the only source for the BMC by which people should be burdened.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm asking you something about the security, basically, in Bandra Khar. As of now, in recent months, Bandra is becoming more and more unsafe. So, anything that is being done about it, or do you have any clues about any security solutions?
So as far as Bandra is concerned, I can see that the insecurity in the minds of the people is growing. For two reasons, if you will see that small criminals like chain snatching and theft and all these things, you can very well find the complaints at Carter Road, Bandstand and Reclamation Promenade.
Yes.
Wherever there is a dark, the people come and they snatch the chains, pickpocketers and all that. So the police has miserably failed for the same. So I think wherever people gathering is more, at Bandstand, at Carter Road, at Reclamation Promenade. Not only the visit of the police, but a police bit chowki has to be also established, and I am demanding the same. Number two, Bandra is unsafe because of the bodyguards of the celebrities and leaders. We can see there are two incidences which has happened. One is one minister of the Maharashtra government's bodyguard has had a fight with the citizen activist on the hill on the car, and that's why the bodyguard has gone on aggressively on that activist. Secondly, we have seen Salman Khan's bodyguard has also gone aggressively to hit the residents at Chimbai village. So all these things shows that if celebrities are staying in Bandra, their bodyguards are causing nuisance for the Bandraites. So local police station also needs to have this angle to take into consideration. Thirdly and importantly, I am proposing, and which I got ordered, to have the new police station constructed at Khar. So this is my contribution to see that new Khar police station to be come up with major facilities from the state government.
Okay. Now there are even molestations, happening in broad daylight. In fact, even at 6 in the morning, even in the evening and afternoons. So girls are feeling very unsafe, as well as old people. But in fact, just last week, 3 girls, their skirts were being lifted openly in front of MET. So, how are these things happening?
So the police department and the state government's machinery is miserably failed. We are talking about molestation, that incidents are increasing. Even the incidents of rape was shameful to know that in Pericross Road, the foreigner girl was been raped by the accused, and it is unfortunate and shocking to know that somebody who's raped that girl was a Tadipar accused. He has been twice Tadipared by police station. So if Tadipar accused tracking is also not done by the police, what general protection they can give? So the local police station, ACP and DCP has to be accountable for that. If somebody has been Tadipar out of Bombay area is coming into the Bandra, is raping the woman, he is doing the dacoity, and still police cannot have the record of the same. It is unfortunate. So I think that more vigilant act of the police station is required.
Okay. Okay. Now, concerning Bandra's traffic, at peak hours, basically, it is a nightmare. So, are there any decongestion plans in place, or do you have anything to say about it?
No, as far as Bandra's decongestion is concerned, there are some missing links which needs to be looked into and established.
Okay.
Like if you come at Reclamation from Lilavati to go back towards Mount Carmel, that area is always a jam. B, if you will see from Mayan Causeway when we enter towards SV Road, that junction is always getting jammed. C, if you will see at Carter Road and near Chimbai, all that road is always jammed. 13th Road and 19th Road cross road at Khar, there is a missing link, that's why it is getting jammed. So I think the traffic congestion and traffic monitoring needs to be surveyed properly, and more bylanes should be used. And for that, the citizens' involvement should be done while finalization of the same.
Of the same, okay. Okay, now just one last question. Any other issues concerning Bandra, Khar or Santa Cruz that you would like to speak about? Any issues that basically you can give your message to the people, or something that you want to, whichever issues you may have, or you feel people may have, and you would like to speak about anything.
Very frankly, I am the only politician from Bandra, Khar and Santa Cruz who has worked on the agenda. While my last election also, I came up before the people by saying that what I will do, and on that agenda I wanted to work. This year's agenda, I have very specifically worked on the same. Number one, the beautification of the Khar station, which is going on, and I wanted to complete the same in this year. Number two, if we see the major part of Khar and Santa Cruz, the water logging is an issue in some portion, for which we need to have Gasdar Bandh pumping station. I have followed it up, and this year I will see that the tender will come out by which Gasdar pumping station will reduce the water logging of the Khar and Santa Cruz area. Thirdly and importantly, the Bandra has a beautiful sea water front, and if you see the sea water quality everywhere from Mayan Causeway till Carter Road, the sea water quality is bad. So the Bandra